So right now, I want to show you how to work on your business plan. So we have our business knob. This is the project title or the concept note. So let's say business knob concept notes, concept note. Okay. So you can have your concept notes refined. You can add your own idea. Everything is just here, which is okay. So back to Gemini. So now I want to get a business plan for this business. So I'm going to tell it Gemini still. I'm going to say get me a well detailed business plan for this project. So we're going to get me a well-detailed business plan for this project. So I'm going to just proceed the idea. So let's see what the business plan is. As simple as that, a very simple prompt, and you're going to get a business plan. So right now I have these as my concept note, of course, and here's my concept notes, which are in phases. So it says acquire businessnob.com. That's the first thing. So I want to acquire businessnob.com, and it says finalize brand logo, which we are going to do. And it says record the first 5 Titan breakdown videos. Of course, we're going to do that. We're not in this course anyways, but we're going to be able to build the e-commerce brand, develop the e-commerce store. Yes, and we're going to have go live with the turn up your business campaign. So these are the immediate roadmap for quarter 1. Yes, so the recipe approach and everything is right here. So coming back here, we have business plan for business knob, and we have the entrepreneur operating system. So we have this, and we have executive summary. So everything about the business is right here. So what do? I copy this because this is the business plan, and this would help us in making decisions and knowing what to do, because everything about business is that you need to know what to do. You need to be able to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, then your business has not started yet. So I'm going to copy this business plan. I would encourage you to go through them. Like if you are starting the e-commerce business yourself, after you've gotten all these with AI, you go through them one by one to see if it's accurate with your vision board. Then you get to change whatever you want to change. You get to leave the ones you want to leave. If you are perfect with or you're okay with what the AI did, you could leave the old text and concept. You could leave it the way AI has given it to you. But this would make your work easier, as you've seen. It has made my work easier so far. And here we have a business plan. So I'll make sure I have that saved. Yes, I have that saved. So I have a business plan already. I even have a financial plan for the business plan, of course. So you look at the financial plan right here. So it says startup costs, and you could see right here, hosting is right here, website development is right here, branding is right here, initial marketing budget is right here. So we have estimated of 200,000 to 300,000 to work this out. So that is great. Yes, that is great. So let's proceed right now. So we're going to have all this, and we have our business knob business plan. So I'll go through it myself. I'll adjust things I need to adjust, but for now, I'm just going to leave things the way they are basically. So I have a business plan, and you can get a business plan for your business as well. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.